Hi, this is Les from Lean Woodworks. I just wanted to bring you guys in for a minute to talk about a big cabinet build that I'm doing. Um, Working in systems, thinking in systems, and the Pulp work system, and the type of work that we do. Uh, I actually specialize in industrial engineering, and that's processes themselves. So, one of my things that I appreciate is being able to do a repeatable process. Now, I personally do not have a FESTOOL Domino, and I don't want anybody to say, "Oh, you don't need that," or "You don't ever want that," because there are several cases where that domino would come in handy, and time saver equals money maker. But for me, in this application right here, as you can see over here, I'm cutting in some cabinets. And I actually went ahead and made templates for specific for the job. This is a horizontal. These are for all my horizontal cabinet parts. They're all cut wide. Then I have one for my verticals. I have a template for my verticals that are also cut standard. And then here's one for the center. Notice it doesn't have a fence on it. And these are made to cut the exact hole that you would need to use a domino. Now, do I have to? No. Could I use dowels? Yeah. Making these templates saves me a ton of time for when it's time to cut all these. I've been working on, I got about 20 minutes of work invested, and I've got like 8 panels cut in already. I took a day and made the templates. And one of the things is when you work in systems, we're not building a cabinet. We are building an engineered project where everything is repeatable and everything is the same. So at the end, all these are going to go together real quick. All of these are going to go together real quick, and I'm going to finish in the same amount of time as anybody else or less and have a higher quality product. And this is a huge build for my small shop. But I think it's going to work out. Now, always remember, you don't have to have a domino. You have to learn how to make templates. Now, Ron Paulk's made a couple videos about it. And here's another thing too. When I first started making templates, especially for these up here, these interlocking visual storage bins that I made, when I first started making templates, the first one I made, I did it by the numbers. I did everything by the numbers, but they would not go together. So what I did is I had my mistake, which was supposed to be by the numbers, right? I had my mistake template, but using that and knowing the result from that, I was able to know how far I knew the numbers that I needed for the next template. So I ended up making the template for those. So the templates actually for this were made twice. What's amazing about the about making these FESTOOL Domino templates is I only had to make them one time. So I guess that means I've improved, or the Pulp work system works much better for me. I've actually pulkified my router table over here, and I have a couple of Pulk router tables, and I want to say something, guys. It's all about the holes and being able to engineer what you can off of this universal work system. I've actually loved it. I've had mine done and complete probably about a year now, and the productivity is incredible, and the accuracy and the quality of my work is really went through the roof. But I just wanted you guys to see this. You don't have to have a domino, but you need to be thinking in dominoes up here and do your work with a systems approach, a repeatable approach, an accuracy approach. The speed and efficiency comes when repeatability exists. All right, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching my video.